Hello, everyone. It is May 29th, 2022. Welcome to another episode of the Jacob Cardarelli YouTube channel. It has been a very long time. I decided to resurrect it. For those who know me, I used to have a channel on trading cryptocurrency and also like the markets. Also like kind of news of like what was going on in the world and things like that. But yeah, should be interesting. I think I hope to get some subscribers that say, hey, we missed you, or no one's going to care. This will just be floating in cyberspace. But anyways, going to the markets and kind of my take on what things are going on. I've had a crazy experience with the markets. I've had an extraneous net worth riding the Bitcoin train here. And I've also lost a lot of money recently trying to short the market. But, that's okay. That's all a part of it. But if you look here at this chart, I was buying Bitcoin when it was in 2016 for like $250, rode this wave, sold a lot of it, had extraneous network at the age of 23, bought back in right around here, and then rode this wave again and did extremely well. And then I started shorting stupid stocks. I got into option trading, not knowing what I was doing, and I was looking at even shorting things like Tesla, and I started buying shorts right here, which was great, right? Like, look at this. Like, oh, you bought shorts right at the top. That's excellent. So I bought shorts right at the top, and this is the first time I've ever traded options before. And the reason I saw this bubble happening and like this run up, and I was like, oh, this is gonna crash. So what I did is I started buying shorts on this, and it crashed, and it sucked me in because I was like, oh, this is easy. I should buy more. And then I started buying more, and then this happened, and then I lost a shit ton of money doing that. So you could see this run up right here where I got wiped out. And the thing is I've had a lot of money in the markets. I've had net worths when I was 23, like over six figures. Lost a lot of it, made it like almost all back, lost pretty much freaking all of it with this whole short position, thinking I was like Michael Burry and like going all in, like doing all this shit. So I was just dabbling too much, and I got burnt for it. But the thing is love for money is the root of all evil, and God always gives us new opportunities. And that's what I'm looking at now. And I'm sharing this opportunity with people just because I see it as extraneous opportunity. And I thought I'd bring back my YouTube channel. Why not? It gives me something to do. It gives me something to look forward to. And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot when I was doing it. I haven't made a video in forever. So this is a new video for it. So what I'm looking at right now is my way back into the game kind of thing is cannabis stocks, specifically this stock Tilray. So the stock Tilray here is super undervalued. You look here, like cannabis stocks have been beaten to shit, right? Like this was during COVID crash right here, and then this thing soared all the way from $2.50 all the way to 50 or over $60. You look at the top here. It was touching almost like $68 from $2.50. I mean, that's like, what is it, times 30? You know what I mean, almost. So it's a big gain, 30x. I think that you look back here, it was all the way valued all the way at the top here at $300. I'm not saying it's going to go to 300, but right now you're looking at a pretty solid bottom. Like if you look here, draw a horizontal. Like the bottom here. This touches all the way over here where this moving average kind of was. So you look at it, you got a pretty solid base here. Your downside risk is extremely low, where the upside is pretty good. Then if you draw a comparison here, let's see here. Oh, let's do the NASDAQ. Oh, yeah, let's do the NASDAQ. Like, you're starting to see the NASDAQ reverse. And last time this thing went from around $5 to $9. The top here it's around $9. So from $5 to $9, I imagine when this goes up, you're going to see this pass and probably go to like $11. So right now it's valued at $4.50. on the short term, it could probably go to $11. I think long term, it could go. I mean, this month, you just look at it here, it could go as high as $100. And, I have a position of calls on this. I think I learned enough losing in options trading where I'm pretty confident in what I'm doing now with options, especially going long versus going short. I think that there's so much liquidity in this economy. It's insane. So people are more likely to buy than to sell. And so it should be interesting. But yeah, I think that, when you look at the general markets here, you look at the NASDAQ, this is reversing right now, and it doesn't have a lot of resistance for a second. So I think you got the next couple weeks are pretty bullish. Tilray, I think, is going to pop to $11. From there, I don't imagine it. It could settle down back down here and then kind of rise again. We'll see. I mean, it's all a gamble. Don't play with money you can't afford to lose. This is not financial advice. Ugh. But I think this is a really good play right now that I just kind of wanted to share with everyone and let everyone know what I'm up to and kind of things like that. So, but yeah, the world has lost its mind. That's one thing too. I think that you look at like what's going on with the Democrats and the Republicans, just to kind of give a news brief of everything. It's insanity. I think it's not something to really pay attention to. You got to kind of focus on your relationship with God and things like that. I try to preach the word as much as I go. And I know, one thing, the love for money is the root of all evil. And I think that, I've lost money in the past to know it. And it's not something to obsess over. But I just wanted to kind of bring back this YouTube channel, let everyone know how I'm doing, and things are good. So, but yeah, just check out ticker symbol TLRY. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I do think that this is going to explode. And this is also a meme stock, which gives it a little bit of pull, I guess. I'm not trying to like sell the whole meme thing and like YOLO or whatever, but yeah. And I want to share too, I might as well show it while I'm here. You look at these options, I actually have some calls here I bought these at 10 cents, which were $7 calls. I didn't buy a lot, obviously, a very small amount because it's extremely risky on a short-term call. But I think that, if it goes to $11 in that short period of time, which it could, that's like 40x. So I bought these $7 calls at 10 cents. Obviously, they're down a lot. I could have bought like $6 at 10 cents by now, but that's okay. But yeah, so I'm in this position here, which is a very small amount. It was like $500 or something like that. But my primary position here is right here, these $5 ones at $1.15. If you look at it, if this thing goes to like $100, which it is possible, I'm not gonna say it's impossible. It definitely is possible. And you're looking at like 70 times 78 your money, like crazy amount of returns. Like it would be an astronomical play, and that's what I'm kind of hoping for. So this is like my only play. I've gotten burnt so bad in the market, so it's all I can afford. Like it's been a bloodbath for me. So I did really well, man, up until about 2020. What year was it? 2021. So probably end of 2021, I was doing really well. But yeah, man. So that's kind of what I've been up to. Just thought I'd update this YouTube channel and let you know how I'm doing. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.